told Jack is in a restaurant. There are 5 starters, 8 main courses, and some desserts on the menu. Jack is going to choose 1 starter, 1 main course, and 1 dessert. He says there are 240 ways that he can choose his starter, main course, and his dessert. Could Jack be correct? And we must show how we got our answer. Okay? So, what we need to do here is we need to remember our rule of combinations. Okay? And that rule states that if we have n choices for option 1, m choices for option 2, and p choices for option 3, the total number of choices is the product of them. Okay? So, what we're going to say is to get 240 choices, we need to look at 5 times 8 times x being 240, and this comes from our combination. So there's 5 starters, 8 mains, and some amount of desserts. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40, so we have 40x equals 240, and x equals 6. So for this to be true, he needs to have the option of 6 desserts. Now we need to use a bit of logic here. Is 6 desserts a reasonable number for a restaurant to have? Okay, and for that it is yes. Okay, that is a suitable number. Okay, so we can say yes, as long as there are 6 desserts. Okay, sorry. And then in brackets, which is reasonable. Okay, because you can have ice cream, you can have 3 or 4 different types of cake, you can have waffles, all sorts. So yes, it is reasonable for a restaurant to have 6 or even more desserts. Okay, but as long as there are 6 desserts, then you can reach 240 choices. So he is correct in terms of that, and it is feasible. This question is worth 2 marks. The first mark comes from using the combinations rule to get this equation, and the second mark comes from stating yes along with 6 desserts.